All right, I want to crank this thing over.
Oh.
Hold on. So this thing went to. Oops. All right, go ahead. Oh, there you go. Keep going. See all that? Oh, that's
right.
yeah, because I took them all out. All right, go ahead. Yeah.
Oh! What was
a
that?
glow plug.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't get them out. They're not magnetized.
Oh, more than that. Oh!
A fucking fish fell out or what? Right? Oh yeah, look at that.
This side.
Yeah, keep going. Just keep going. I'm sure there's more. Oh wait, don't fucking break it. Should be one more on this side. There you go. Oh, that is bad. I didn't see anything come out on number 1. Oh, it's fucking puking. Alright. That's some good shit right there, man. It's still hard to turn, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Let me get this thing on. Yeah. Yep. That's what happens when you go into a small puddle, they say. Or like a fucking river or an ocean or something. Yeah, at least we can turn it now. Couldn't turn it earlier. Oh yeah. Alright, so pull it out. Too bad I couldn't take off the cab though, man. Fucking thing. Oh yeah. Ooh, bag of gravy. Alright. I think that's enough for today. Waiting for my 2020. I'm sure it's coming from China. It has the coronavirus, I bet. Well, guys. Shop's moving along. Got trouble over there. Tune up over here. And a fucked up engine. We'll see what happens tomorrow.